Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you Flappy Bird mobile game on Arduino. Let's get started. I wanna make a handheld Game Boy. I search on internet. When I digging, I found a NES emulator. I tried a few different versions. Some ones complex, other ones expensive or didn't work pretty much. Didn't like it. I have got an idea. Can I build our game on Arduino? What I want, less component, basic code and working game. I asked the Grok 3 AI language model. This model absolutely perfect for code work and even all free. I prompt, can I write your Arduino based Flappy Bird game with ST7789 display for me? It write quickly and give me this code. This game has a 3 component Arduino Pro Mini, 1 button and ST7789 display. This code uses a Elephant graphic library. Using SPI pins on Arduino and use built-in pull-up resistor. After a few add and try, here it is. Arduino based Flappy Bird Game Boy. Playable and less component. Code link in description. Go check out. Free to enjoy. If you don't anything miss up, hit that subscribe button. See you in next video.